Hello friends, welcome to our channel StudyDesk4U. Hi guys, in this video now we are going to see about Appium desktop file we are going to install. Okay, and previously we have completed this PyCharm and then all the libraries. Okay, and now we will see about Appium installation. Search for the Appium download and click on this link and click on this link. And here you can see the latest releases. And we need to download the required file for the Windows, this .exe file. We need to download this. Click on this link, automatically it will be downloaded. Double click on this file, this downloaded file, and keep for this anyone who can access this computer for all users, and then click on install and click on yes. It will install. The installation will begin now. It will take some time, and see here installation was completed successfully, and click on finish. And here you can search for Appium. See here and click on this, and see here it open, and click on this start server, and we have successfully installed the Appium as well. Okay, in the next video we will see about Android Studio configuration. For complete tutorial, please visit to the Udemy link which is given in below description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.